salutations. Welcome everybody to my channel and to this video. Today I invite all the Miffy lovers and all the enthusiasts to watch this video because today I'm going to be making a Miffy Hipper. Hippers are such a trend right now and I always wanted a hipper. I know my friends, they also love hippers. They even, when we went to the swap meet last week, one of them got a hipper and I was like, psh, I could make that. And I don't think there's such thing like as an official Miffy Hipper, but it's okay because I'm gonna make my own. And it does seem pretty easy. And just a disclaimer, I'm going to be using the materials that I have in my disposal, so it's not gonna be professionally done as if it was a manufactured hipper, but I'm going to try my best. I don't know about you guys, but I just love Miffy. I actually love her a bit more than Hello Kitty, but don't tell Hello Kitty, okay? So yeah, let's get started on the video. So what you're gonna need is some air dry clay. I got this on Amazon and it's in white, perfect because Miffy is a white rabbit. And I'm basically just gonna use this mat that I got at Dollar Tree and then my clay tools. If you see my other clay videos, these are the things that I always use, and of course some glue, clay glue, which is just like leftover clay and water. I'm definitely gonna put water in here, but yeah, we're just gonna get started. Of course I have to go to Pinterest to get my inspiration, and for some reason it's not on my pin board, but I did take a photo of it, and this is my inspiration right here. I also have seen other videos. I've seen other videos on how to make it, and basically it's just like different parts that you have to assemble. So I will do the head and then the body and then like the little hands. And I kind of want Miffy to wear a dress. I seen some that do it naked, like she's not wearing any clothes. But yeah, Miffy Hipper. I seen this one, the one with the headphones, but I think I want to do like a little star or like a little bow. Oh my god, my lamp is in the way. But yeah, I seen this one with the headphones, but I think I want to do like a little star, and then her like iconic blue dress. So we'll see. So it's basically gonna look something like this. Oh my god, where'd it go? Like this. It's very flat. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover on the process and how I did the Miffy, and here I was just gathering up the clay that I needed. Because it's a small project, you don't really need as much clay unless you're making a really big Miffy Hipper or you're just gonna add a lot of detail to it, but honestly she doesn't need much. And here I was measuring out roughly the measurements of how big I wanted it, and I did around like 2.5 inches. It wasn't an exact, but it was around there. And you can obviously, like I said, do it either bigger or smaller, it just depends. And here I was making a strawberry that I was thinking of putting on top of her head on the side, but eventually I changed my mind at the end and it didn't quite work out. But yeah, I was just trying to make a strawberry. And now here I finished up all the parts and I think it's turning out pretty good. And now I'm using the techniques of etching and using the clay glue, which is just a ratio of 2:1 of clay and water. And I use leftover clay. Whenever I have leftover clay, I put it in that pot and I just use it for the glue. And at first I was starting off with the arm, but I do not recommend to do that. I recommend to do the head first. So I was gluing the ears, and then after I glued the ears on top of the head, I pieced together the head and the body. Here I was just finishing putting all her body parts together. As weird as that sounds, but yeah. And after that I focused more on her face by putting her eyes and her mouth. This for me was the most difficult part because it's very, well, not the most difficult part, but because it's very small. You have to get really detailed about it. Okay, now here was the most difficult part for me, is I was trying to make a star that was gonna go on top of her head, but because I already had the clay out for a while and I live in a very dry climate, clay just dries easily, and as well as smaller pieces, they dry out easily, and it was just really falling apart, breaking on me. And it was just very difficult. Eventually I was able to get it, but it did not look like the star, like a star in the sky. It more looked like a starfish from the ocean, but it still turned out cute in my opinion. We'll see. So this is what it looks like after it's been dry, and now I'm gonna sand it down a bit just to make the surface a bit smoother before I start painting. I'm using 60 grit on the sandpaper. I really don't think it matters what grit you should use, but this was the only grit that I have currently, so it worked pretty well, and I was just shaving it down and making the surface smoother. Now, as for painting Miffy, I'm gonna go with her classic blue dress. So I'm gonna use blue, and then eyes and her mouth I'm gonna use black paint, and for the starfish I'm gonna be using between orange and pink. But this is just what I wanted to do. If you're doing one, you could do whatever color you please. be using Mod Podge just to seal everything in, to seal the paint, the clay. And I just got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's in a gloss finish. And now there she is, she's all finished. She looks so cute. And I used some glue stickers just to put on Miffy and then on whatever device or wherever you're going to put her on. And there she goes. She came out really cute. Not bad for my first Hipper. I did have a bit of modifications that I could do, but other than that, she turned out super duper cute, and I love it. I would definitely will make more in the future. But that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!